In the dusty town of Mehranpur, two boys were known for their brotherhood, Hamza and Fahad. They studied together, played cricket in the same narrow streets, and shared dreams bigger than their small surroundings. People often said, if you find a friend like that, life becomes easy. Hamza believed it. Fahad was confident, charming, and talkative. He could convince anyone of anything. Teachers liked him. Hamza, on the other hand, was quiet and sincere. He wasn't great with words, but he had determination. After college, Hamza started learning graphic design from free online tutorials. Day and night, he practiced on his old laptop. Fahad often visited him, watching closely. "Bro, when you become rich, don't forget me," Fahad would joke. Hamza would smile. "We'll rise together." Months passed. Hamza improved fast. He began earning small amounts through freelance projects. Fahad showed great interest in everything: Hamza's clients, passwords, project files, payment methods. "You're bad at talking to clients," Fahad said one evening. "Let me handle communication. I know how to deal with people." Hamza hesitated but agreed. After all, Fahad was his best friend. At first, everything went smoothly. Clients increased. Payments became regular. Fahad handled negotiations while Hamza focused on design. But slowly, small problems began appearing. Some clients claimed they had already paid. Others complained about missed deadlines. A few projects were canceled without his knowledge. Whenever Hamza asked, Fahad had an explanation ready. Client was confused. "Payment is delayed." "Don't worry, I handled it." Hamza trusted him blindly. One day, Hamza received a message from an international client thanking him for multiple completed projects. He never worked on them. Confused, he asked for details. The client sent files. Hamza froze. Those designs were his old practice projects. A cold realization hit him. He checked the freelance platform account. Password changed. Recovery email changed. Everything was under Fahad's control. Heart pounding, Hamza rushed to Fahad's house. He found him relaxed, scrolling through his phone. "You used my work," Hamza said, voice shaking. "You made accounts in my name." Fahad didn't panic. Instead, he sighed. "Listen, you're talented but naive. I just used opportunities you didn't know how to handle. We both benefited. Hamza's fists tightened. "You stole everything." Fahad stood up, calm but cold. "Grow up. This world runs on smart moves, not emotions. You trusted me. That's your mistake." Those words hurt more than betrayal. Years of friendship suddenly felt fake. Every joke, every late-night talk, every promise, meaningless. Hamza returned home shattered. He blamed himself more than Fahad. Signs were always there, but he ignored them for friendship. For weeks, he couldn't work. Motivation disappeared. Confidence broke. Trust felt dangerous. But pain can either destroy or rebuild. Hamza chose the second path. He created new accounts, changed workflow, learned client communication himself, keeping personal and professional separate. Slowly, he rebuilt. It was harder alone, but safer. Months later, one of his designs went viral. International clients flooded his inbox. A startup hired him remotely. One evening, while walking past the old cricket ground, Hamza saw Fahad sitting alone. Same confident boy, now worried, restless. Fahad forced a smile. "Bro, long time." Hamza looked at him calmly. No anger, no warmth, just clarity. "Some lessons are expensive," Hamza said. "I paid mine." He walked away without waiting for a reply. Because he finally understood, not everyone who stands beside you is your friend. Not everyone who praises you wants your success. And not every smile is honest. Trust is valuable. Give it slowly. Test it quietly. Because once broken, it never returns the same.